Well, let's talk about the revenue, the third component. We have discussed the above two. So we check revenue of the products that we are going to sell, and we use the same different tools to check the revenue of the products, right? So why we check the revenue of the products? It indicates the same, that as much there is a revenue, so it means that we can also make a good amount by launching that product. If the revenue is high, so it's that much chances for us as well to earn some chunk from it, right? And else that what revenue tells us while product hunting, and sometimes it raises the like flag that product for us that no, you shouldn't sell this product. Revenue tells us that. How they tell? So let's check it. Here we are on the Amazon search page, and it's the Helium 10 tool using. I am here now. It's the revenue in front of me now. So as I said, that sometimes the revenue flag that product for us and tell us that no, you shouldn't sell this product. But why should we not sell this product? So the reason behind, sometimes you will find that one seller will be earning like a big chunk from the market of garlic peeler. The other sellers might be earning like 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, and one of the seller, he will be earning like $60,000. So that indicates for us that, hey, do not get close to this niche. It's really risky because the one seller, it's dominant in all of this market. Sometimes you will find like each one of them earning 8,000, 9,000, that's a good revenue, and 10,000, like between 8 to 10 or 11,000. But one of the seller will be earning $60,000. So it's again a red alert. It's again a red alert. This seller can break the market anytime. He is having so much dominancy in the niche. So we check it from the revenue, that we shouldn't launch such a product which is so much risky for us that we lose all our investment. So we analyze the revenue for the products as well.